大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today's video is a continuation of the story about David 大卫. In the last video, David was caught two-timing Lily, his girlfriend. If you have missed out, please do check it out. The link for this video will be listed in the description page. For this video, David met up with Lily to explain his side of the story. Let's get started.
丽丽，别不理我！
你做了对不起我的事，还指望我理你？
你真的是误会了。玛丽在百货公司看到的女孩，确实是我妹妹。
妹妹？你从来都没告诉我你有个妹妹。
你没问，我就觉得没必要说。但她真的是我亲妹妹。
我去过你家10几次，怎么都没碰到过她？
她一直都在澳大利亚留学，上星期才突然回国的。我还没来得及告诉你，就被玛丽碰见了。
哪有这么巧？
就是这要巧。不信的话，我现在就打电话叫我妹妹来这儿替我申冤。我真的是冤枉的。
好吧，我大人有大量，我就相信你这一次。下不为例。
绝对不会有下次，我保证。
我话说在前头，如果我发现你在骗我，我就宰了你。
我不会，我也不敢。对了，你现在有时间吗？
干嘛？
我带你去个地方。
去哪儿？
去了你就知道了。
干嘛这么神秘？
我们走吧。
注释 Notes 礼 This commonly used Chinese word has several meanings depending on the context that it is used. Frequently used words or phrases for 礼理由理由 reason 理解理解 understanding 管理管理 management 理财理财 financial management 理想理想 an ideal or a dream 修理修理 repair 道理道理 reason or principle. The li used in this conversation describes the reaction to the words and action of others. Besides using li, you can also use 别不搭理我搭理 or 别不理睬我理睬 all have the meanings of to be ignored by some. 还没来得及就 The Chinese sentence 还没来得及就 is a Chinese sentence structure that convey the idea of haven't had time to and already or before having the chance to already. 还没来得及 can be broken up into 3 parts. 还 means still or yet. 没 negation particle indicating not. 来得及 literally means to come in time or to have enough time. 就 is a conjunction that means already or and then. We did a video on how to use 就 in 7 ways. If you are interested, the link will be provided in the description section. 还没来得及就 Sentence structure indicates that the first action or event could not be completed because the second action took place so fast or suddenly that the doer does not have enough time to react. Sentence example 大卫还没来得及解释，就被丽丽刮了一巴掌。David hadn't had a chance to explain yet and was slapped by Lily. 这么那么这么 and 那么 are demonstrative pronoun in Chinese that are used to indicate the degree or extent of something. 这么 which is equivalent to so, such, this way, like this, indicates the degree or extent of something close to the speaker, something related to the current situation or subject. 那么, on the other hand, indicates the degree or extent of something that is distant from the speaker, something related to a different situation or subject. It is equivalent to like that way, and so in English. 那么 can also be used as a conjunction, but not 这么. There are cases where it is difficult to determine the distance, and in such cases, both 这么 or 那么 can be used. 那么 when placed before numerals indicates approximation. How to use 这么 and 那么. Number 1, looking at a picture and talking about Mary. 玛丽这么漂亮，为什么到现在都找不到男朋友？ Mary is so beautiful. Why she still can't find a boyfriend? Number 2, talking about a particular person. 彼得那么能干，为什么还没升职当经理？ Peter is so capable. Why hasn't he been promoted to manager? Number 3, when a distance cannot be determined, you can use 这么 or 那么。我没有你这么 or 那么幸运，可以去外国留学。I am not as lucky as you to be able to study abroad. Number 4, when talking about approximation, you can only use 那么。这件裙子大概需要那么4、5天的时间就能缝好。This dress probably needs around 4 to 5 days to finish. Number 5, conjunction. 既然你不喜欢这款式，那么就看看别的吧。Since you don't like this style, then let's take a look at others. For this sentence, you cannot change 那么 to 这么 because 这么 cannot be used as a conjunction. 话说在前头。话说在前头 is a Chinese expression that translates to speaking ahead or to say it up front in English. It indicates that the speaker is about to say something important or relevant before proceeding with the main topic of conversation. Sentence example. 我话 说在前头，我只是陪你去，不要叫我做些我不喜欢的事。我话说在前头，我只是陪你去，不要叫我做些我不喜欢的事。Let me say this up front. I'm just accompanying you. Don't ask me to do things I don't like. 今天的视频到此结束，希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持，再见。